Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make hash brown and ham egg nest. It's an awesome Easter brunch recipe. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, guys, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. To start with our potatoes, these are russet potatoes, but you can pretty much use any kind you want. Get them all peeled up. Once they're peeled, we want to grate them. Use a hand grater or a box grater and get them grated, all of your potatoes. They should look pretty much like this as you grate them. Then, guys, you're going to put them in some water and let them soak. We need to get some of that starch off of them. Rinse them really, really well. Let them soak a minute or two. After that, grab a couple of paper towels, dry them off. Get them as good and dry as you can. That'll make them get a little more crispier. I'm using a 6-piece tin muffin. Spray it really well, tops and all around. We're going to fill this with our potatoes, forming our nest. You just want to put it in the bottom and bring it up the sides to form what looks like a bird's nest to you. Guys, welcome back, and if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll always get my recipes. You want to continue doing this for all of them. Now, you can easily expand the recipe and make more. They freeze well so that you can also freeze them, bring them out, pop them in the microwave, and keep it moving. Now, once we've got them all formed, they should look like this. We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven after we spray the tops of them again for about 10 minutes, just until they start to brown. While they're in the oven, let's go ahead and get our eggs beaten and seasoned. 4 to 6 eggs will do. We're going to put in some onion powder, garlic powder, Himalayan sea salt, dried mustard, and a little white pepper. Beat it really well, and I'll have all of these ingredients in the description. Fill them with whatever you want. They are customizable. I'm using ham, a little green onion, cheddar, and mozzarella cheese. You want to layer it. Start with your ham first, or your meat, turkey, whatever you're using, and just continue to layer it like you would a lasagna or something. Okay, guys, once we have them all prepared, they should look like this, going back into the oven. All right, guys, they're all done. Don't they look amazing? Now let's go ahead and get them out. I want you to see how good they come out, nice, smooth, and even. So we're going to take these out. Look at this, guys. See, it's coming out nice and clean. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look amazing? Yes, look at our ham and hash brown egg nest. Girl, this is a great Easter brunch recipe. Go ahead and garnish it with some scallions or parsley or whatever your choice may be. This is an amazing recipe, guys. Hash brown ham and egg nest. Awesome Easter brunch recipe. Guys, remember to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.